Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from DasherDirect to Cash App. So you need to open your Cash App. You need to click your profile icon on the top right. Scroll a little bit down and choose Linked Banks. Right here, you need to click this plus icon and on the bottom, click No Card. Then click Continue. And in the search, you need to search for DasherDirect. Here is DasherDirect, DoorDash. You need to click it and you need to link your account to your Cash App. After that, you can transfer money from Dasher to your Cash App. There is also another way how to do this. If you have a virtual or physical DasherDirect card, you need to click your profile icon again, scroll a little bit down and choose Linked Banks. Then click this plus icon and you need to enter your virtual or physical card information right here, your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, and click link card. After that, you can transfer your money from this card to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.